So pakiramdam ko dito, meron sila ditong sindikato. Pangatlong lalaki na to na sumama sa amin. So, thank you. So, lagi silang sumusunod. Parang, okay, di na ako sama. Later on, mapapalitan lang siya. Hindi ko naman sasabi, no, but everywhere, pwede may mangyaring masama. It's okay. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you, thank you. Hi be, it's me Francis Cadeo. Welcome back to my channel. So andito pa rin tayo ngayon be sa Addis Ababa, dito pa rin sa Ethiopia.
For today's video be, samahan nyo ako at explore natin ang pinakamalaking open air market ng Africa, ang Mercato na matatagpuan dito sa Addis Ababa, dito sa Ethiopia. Meron itong laki na parang 4 na divisorya. Ganun siya kalaki. Kaya naman samahan nyo ako kasama ang aking friend na si Phil. Subscribe to his channel and let's do this!
Tara!
Ito ang Addis Ababa, ang capital ng Ethiopia. Moderno, masigla at maganda. Pero ito rin ang Addis Ababa, kapareho ng Pilipinas, puno ng mga taong kumakayod sa araw-araw. Samahan nyo ako at alamin natin ang buhay ng mga simpleng tao dito.
So andito na tayo ngayon guys sa Mercato. Ito yung biggest market sa Africa. So from here, mukha siyang divisorya. Let's see. For now, hahanap muna kami ng makakainan dahil nagugutom na kami. At ang huling kain ko pa is kahapon. It's like 24 hours ago. So, okay. Okay.
Do you know it's there?
Near the church.
Is the church here? Church is here. Okay. Chicken house.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'm sa Ganala.
Saganala. All right. We're gonna try to find the Ethiopian version of Jollibee, guys. Chicken house? Chicken.
There. Ah, that's him.
It's the same guy.
No, maybe after if you want something,
After.
we can show you.
After.
Like a spice market,
Are you streaming?
No. Vlogging. Are you streaming?
I know everything in Mercato.
Ah,
Chicken house.
oh, is it? This is it? It's chicken.
Smells really good. You have fried chicken? Chicken fried?
So ito na guys yung ating menu dito. Tara, bumili mo tayo ng pagkain. Meron silang chicken with rice. Uy, ang sarap. Saktong-sakto to be kasi gutom na din ako.
Oh wow, look at that. This is the biryani?
Yeah, it's English. Yeah.
Oh my god, we might have to get that.
So ayan guys, umorder na lang kami ni Phil ng pagkain ngayon. And we're just gonna wait for our food.
Yeah, we've got a big plated chicken coming. It's not Jollibee, but it's Ethiopian chicken with rice.
Yeah.
And it looks good.
I think it's more of Arabic or maybe because this area is Muslim.
Oh, is this area Muslim?
Yeah. That's why it's near also to the mosque, to the
But there's a
Grand
church right there.
and the Grand Mosque. The Grand Mosque is around this area.
Oh.
The driver said.
Okay. All right.
Wow. So ayan guys, kain muna tayo dito. Let me take a picture.
Picture? Oh, yeah, that's good.
Just picture. Ketchup.
Ketchup.
Yeah.
Ketchup.
Yeah, I like ketchup.
Give me half of this. Bread.
Wow. Okay. Let's just put it there.
Okay.
Yeah. That's it, guys. Mmm.
Good?
It's good. It's a really good kabsa.
I don't like the olives either.
I don't like olives.
Yeah, they're gross.
At least I'm not alone.
A lot of people love them. Good chicken?
The salad is good.
Oh, yeah.
I love the dressing.
Very nice. Good.
Yes, thank you.
Oh my god, this is the biggest ketchup I've ever seen. So you're gonna put your chicken in the ketchup?
Yeah.
Wow, is that
It's a
Philippines?
Filipino thing. Chicken ketchup.
I've been to Philippines many times. I've never seen chicken and ketchup.
Really?
See, I have to like meet you in Ethiopia to learn about the Philippines.
It's either gravy
Gravy,
or ketchup.
not barbecue sauce.
Barbecue sauce is very much American. Barbecue sauce and what's the white thing? Ranch.
Ranch dressing.
Ranch.
Yeah, but you guys have taken a lot of things from American culture.
Yeah.
Yeah, but not that.
Actually, we didn't take it. You give it to us.
Yum. Straight out of the spoon.
Yeah.
Is it good ketchup?
It tastes like a banana ketchup.
Should I try it?
Yeah.
Maybe I'll become
It tastes like banana ketchup. Have you tried banana ketchup?
no. But I'm gonna become a real Filipino right now.
Yeah.
There we go. Pretty good. Pretty good. I have to say, it's pretty good.
Because if the chicken is a little bit dry, the sauce is really good.
It's difficult with this because they're not chicken pieces to me. They're crab. Maybe the salad would be good.
I noticed with their food here,
Yeah.
it's always more on group meals.
Yeah.
It's always for sharing.
Yeah, that's how it is. Many people. So this was 1,200 birr,
Ah.
which is about $8 for two people. Take the rest. Or what we can do is, here, let's put it with the rice like this. Then we can pick it up with the bread. Oh boy.
I noticed with you,
What?
you're American but you don't drink a lot of soda.
I don't drink any soda. I drink soda only when I have alcohol.
Okay. So, dito na tayo ngayon guys sa may Mercato. I would consider this place like parang Quiapo kasi merong malapit na malaking simbahan dito. Yung simbahan ng Saint ragu. Ayan. So, sa labas ng simbahan, parang Quiapo lang din. Marami nagtitinda. Salam.
Bidi.
So this area be is very much like Divisoria. I think since this is the biggest, yeah, salam no. Since this is the biggest market in Africa, it makes sense na this is the center for like the shopping. Hi. Good. Indetnesh. Amasaganala.
Welcome to Ethiopia. Welcome to Ethiopia.
See, they're so festive and lovely here. Even the mannequins are happy. Yes.
Beautiful pineapple.
Banana.
Andito tayo ngayon be sa mga area na konting kibot, money. Be, grabe sila dito. Walapit sa akin sabi, money. You're China, money. Parang kadugtong ng China is money.
Packaging on their head. Look at this guy. Love it.
Hello. Wala, hello naman sila dito. They're very approachable. Feeling ko ang dami ko ng kapatid. Ang dami kong kapatid dito, brother ng brother sa akin. So ako be, sa mga gitong lugar, very, kita nyo yun? Sa mga gitong lugar, very alert ako. Kasi una, syempre, hindi natin alam baka, hindi ko naman sinasabi no, but everywhere, pwede may mangyaring masama. At saka sa ito maraming nangyayari, pwede kang mawala sa focus, tapos may mawala ng gamit sa'yo. Ang dami nangyayari, guys. Wow. Actually, hindi ko alam anong meron dito. Parang itong area, parang hugasan ng paa. Ayun o. Francis. Yeah, thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you. Masaganala.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Ciao. Oops. Sorry. So when it comes to being friendly naman kami be. Approachable na din naman kami. Pero syempre, di ba, trust no one pa din dahil di mo alam nasa ibang lugar tayo. Okay. Oh, here, he said here. Okay. Wow, a foam as well.
What is it?
It's a foam.
More foam.
Wow.
So much foam. Oh, that's like chicken. Foam. Yeah, foam.
So pakiramdam ko dito be, meron sila ditong sindikato. Pangatlong lalaki na to na sumama sa amin. So, thank you. So, lagi silang sumusunod. Parang, okay, di na ako sama. Later on, mapapalitan lang siya.
Vamos! This is the third guy who's been following us.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Oh yeah. I think they're all talking to each other. When we
Uh-huh.
get rid of one of them,
Okay, you try.
the next guy comes.
Haha.
Yeah. My brother. Yes. Okay.
It's okay. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you.
Ish.
Hi. Salam no.
Cycle market, spice market. This way. Yeah.
Is it there?
Yeah.
Okay. KFC. Where's KFC? Okay.
Just point the way. You don't need to take us. Recycle market. Okay, we're good. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. I'll just cross the road. I'll be on the other side.
Well done. You're good at this.
I just ignore.
Yeah.
I don't talk, because the more you talk to them, they feel like, okay, they tend to respond. So
It's difficult.
I'll just
because
ignore.
It's difficult because we both like to talk to people.
No, I'm very good with ignoring.
It's certain people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ang Mercato nga be ang pinakamalaking palengke sa buong Africa. Halos 4 na divisorya ang laki neto. At tuwing Sabado, umaabot ng 1.5 milyong tao ang pumupunta dito. At kung ang divisorya ay mayroong mga kalsada na nakalaan para sa mga tela, para sa mga prutas at gulay, dito naman be, may malaki silang area para sa mga spices, sa kape, sa mga metal, at pati sa mga nire-recycle na gamit.
I'm here. Feel, I'm here. I'm trying to blend in.
And I'm not, I guess. Yeah.
You're standing out. Remember, you're white.
I forgot.
I know this episode, be. How to get away.
Actually, be, nag-iingat talaga ako dito kasi alam nyo naman, medyo lapitin ako sa mga tao. At alam nyo ba, itong kaibigan ko ditong si Phil, after netong video namin dito, nung nasa Omo Valley ako, nadukot yung kanyang iPhone 17, tapos nadisgrasya pa siya. Pwede nyo panoorin yun sa kanyang YouTube channel kung gusto nyo, and yun yung iniiwasan ko. Kasi kung siya ay mabiktima, paano pa ako, be?
Para tumataas yung dugo ko, ah.
Alright, so we've got like four guys who are trying to guide us.
So ngayon guys, ang dami na nakasunod sa amin dito. Grabe. Oh, somehow gusto ko rin makita yung market nila, di ba? Kasi nag-iikot naman talaga ako ng mga market everywhere. Pero ang ugali ko kasi talaga, tone down lang ako sa gilid. Ayoko kasi ng mga unwanted attention. Dahil kilala nyo naman ako, the more na may attention, the more na baka mas scam ako. And lapitin talaga ako, siguro kaya lumalayo na ako.
No road. Not here, no road. I thought you knew what you were doing. That's why you were trying to show us.
No China.
No.
China. Where are you?
Philippines. Yeah.
Where is head is big China?
Yeah, they all think I'm China.
Yes.
So I think guys, we're already in the spice market. Kasi meron ako nakikita ditong mga spices.
There you go.
Okay.
No problem ምናምን አይልም።
Yes, brother. Philippines. Wow. Bravo.
Coffee. That's coffee? No coffee. No. Spice.
So now we are here at the spice market, guys. And wala dito yung Spice Girls. Puro mga lalaki lang yung nagtitinda.
Did you just say Spice Girls? I don't see any Spice Girls here.
Yeah, that's what I said. It's just Spice Boys, not Spice Girls.
Yeah, there's a Spice Girl right here. Should I ask her? Hello? Excuse me. Hi. Are you a Spice Girl? Okay. She doesn't speak Spice.
That's my go-to excuse as well.
Okay, Spice World?
No English. Go ahead, follow him. What's your... What? Phil,
What's up?
what do you... What this guy... What this guy? He's asking for something.
What?
He's asking.
He's asking. What do you want?
ምንድን ነው የምፈልገው?
We're just walking.
እኛ ወክ እያደረግን ነው።
Oh my God! We didn't ask you to go.
So this makes sense, Be, that we are in the biggest market in Africa, and they have, Mercato. It's called Mercato, spice market, and yung pagkain nila dito sa Ethiopia is really, really strong and really delicious talaga. It makes sense. Wow, sobrang daming paminta oh. Yeah, it's pepper. Sobrang dami nila ditong paminta, guys. Yes. Wow.
ይሄ ምንድን ነው የሚባለው? እንግሊዘኛ ምንድን ነበር?
I can smell it in my armpit.
Kim Jong-un. No, Kim Supreme Leader. Kim Jong-un. Kim Jong-un. He called me Kim Jong-un. Yeah.
Wait, he thinks
안녕하세요.
you're Kim Jong.
Kim Jong-un is Kim Jong-un. Oh, Supreme Leader.
Nice basketball. I like basketball.
So ito guys, yung mga lutuan nila dito katulad ng mga lutuan natin sa Pilipinas oh. Salam.
Another.
There?
No, another.
Okay.
ኪሎ እነሱ ነው እንጂ አየሩማ ደህና ነበር ትንሽ
Ni hao ma. Ni hao. Ni hao. Sheshe.
They keep saying China, China.
Yeah. See?
Being called China in Ethiopia.
First, Kim Jong-un. Second, China. Ethiopia. Masaganala. Guys, first time makakita ni Phil ata ng ganitong lutuan. So, feeling ko, siyempre sa Amerika, wala naman talaga silang mga ganito, diba? So, siya lang mga lutuan nila dito. So, naninibago siya. Sabi niya, ano to? Lutuan yan. Ganyan yung mga kalan na diuling.
You need one?
No? I know how to make one.
You know how to make one?
Yeah, I'm from the Philippines. We have the same thing. Tignan nyo guys, so ito yung kanilang kalan dito. Ito ba yung kanilang walis ting-ting dito, oh. Dito sa kanila guys, uso rin yung tumpuk-tumpukan nila ng mga mga gulay, prutas, ganyan. Ni hao. Ni hao. Sheshe. Ni hao ma. Ni hao ma. Ni hao ma. Sheshe. Alipay. So andito na tayo guys sa dairy part, dairy products ng kanilang market. So dito ba ang presyo ng isang ganyang kalaking cheese ay 800 birr.
This is cool.
Ni hao.
We haven't done anything like this yet. Oh, it's a little crowded. Once he moves.
My friend, the big market.
I just wanna, no. Okay. You don't want to?
Come in.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
እኔ አማርኛ
It's a little crazy.
Oh, have they bundle it? Okay.
beautiful area. Come in.
Actually, be, maglakad ka lang dito kahit wala kang tour guide. Magkaka-tour guide ka. Wow.
Recycle area, garment.
So, dito naman tayo ngayon be sa may industrial area ng kanilang market.
Dito be sa Ethiopia, wala silang official minimum wage na nakaset. Karamihan sa mga tao dito ay kumikita ng 15,000 pesos para na yun sa buong taon. At para naman dun sa mga nagtatrabaho sa government, kumikita sila ng nasa 3,000 kada buwan at kumikita naman ng 5,000 to 6,000 pesos yung mga nakapagtapos ng kolehiyo.
Salam no. Salam no. Naya, niyaw. Philippines, Philippines. Ah, thank you. Sabi niya, welcome to Ethiopia. So, pag natuturugan ko na marunong sila Phil. So, pag natuturugan ko na magaling naman sila mag-English be. Kasi sabi ko naman na Pilipinas. Pero pag alam kong wala, edi yun nila kung ano alam nila. Hi.
Francis, how you doing?
Good. I feel like I'm in my element now. Are you? Yeah.
Or you saw us at Netscout Square.
YouTube.
YouTube. And my friend too? Where's he from?
Philippines.
Yeah, where's my friend from?
Philippines. He said it.
Seen our video. What's your name, brother? Tari. Philip. Nice to meet you. Thank you for watching.
So nakakatuwa guys kasi namukhaan nila kami at napanood nila yung mga video daw namin sa YouTube dito sa kanila. Boom. Boom. Boom.
You know when we were at the cattle market? When we were at the cattle market, I said,
At ito naman yung tinatawag nila ditong bula na parang gawa siya sa isang false banana na tinatawag nila na enset. And isa siyang pagkain dito na makikita lang sa Ethiopia, hindi talaga siya makikita sa ibang African countries. Bale, niluluto nila ito na parang lugaw na kinakain nila at minsan pinapanggamot din sa mga bagong panganak.
Come here.
oh, he's gonna throw water at me. Okay. I was gonna say we can use translate. If you walk by, just go ahead and walk by. Yeah.
It's here. Now, dito na tayo sa isang barbershop guys.
Look at this. We found it.
Finally.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I want to see it actually. That's the first thing. I just want to see it.
No picture. I don't think we're gonna be.
So, hindi raw pwede dito sa barbershop na to guys. Ayaw ng barbera magpa-vlog. Kasi ano daw siya, China, ni hao. Billiard?
Okay, if you want any picture, go ahead, just do it.
Okay. My friend wants to. No, but not picture, video. Just play.
Okay.
Yeah, normal. Go.
What do you call this game?
You know?
I don't know.
You don't know what this game is? Anybody speak English?
Yeah.
What game?
What is the name of this game? Karambura.
His name is
Karambula? Karambula.
And is the white ball different from the red ball and the blue ball? Very different or same?
the same.
The same.
But
The goal is to hit?
the different man.
Different team.
White.
Different man. Okay.
All right. So are you playing for money?
Yeah.
Oh, where's the money?
That guy.
You have the money?
Yeah.
This guy?
Market this.
Oh yeah. Let's keep going down there.
Sa higit 2 oras namin pag-iikot dito sa Mercato, hindi talaga namin nakita to ng buong buo. Ganun pa man, nakita naman natin na may hawi ito sa Divisoria or Quiapo natin. Kung tutusin, magkaibang bansa, pero ang kahirapan, iisa lang palagi ang mukha. Kung sa atin meron tayong isang kayod, isang tuka, dito sa Ethiopia, may kita rin natin ang determinasyon ng mga tao. Lahat lumalaban, nagtatrabaho, kahit mababa pa ang sweldo. Tulad ng mga Ethiopians, pareho lang natin sila. Kumakayod, lumalaban, para sa pamilya, para sa pangarap. At mula pa rin sa Ethiopia, ako si Francis Candiaye. Hanggang sa susunod na video. Ciao, be.
Hi there! It's me, Francis Candiaye!
And Kay Toretto.
Samahan nyo kami dahil magta-travel kami together ni Kay Toretto sa Pakistan.
And we need joiners. No more planning and less hassle kasi kami na ang bahala sa itinerary nyo
Kami nang bahala sa'yo. We know how to navigate
and interact with the locals.
and we are here to make it fun, memorable, and smooth for you.
We designed this trip para sa mga gustong makasamang makatravel kami.
At ma-explore at ma-experience ang beauty and culture ng Pakistan. Pwedeng sumama ang group of friends, solo travelers, lovers, or partners.
Huy! Mag-message na dali at limited slots lang ang makakasama namin ni Francis Candiaye
Tara na! Travel with me, Francis Candiaye!
and Kay Toretto. Let's explore the magic of Pakistan.